Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make an accordion. The accordion has a distinctive feature where it can be stretched open in one area while compressing in others. This unique characteristic of the accordion offers several advantages. First, let's set up the widgets. Drag in text to create a page title. Modify text. Then drag in a rectangle to make the header. Drag in rectangles and text to create content. Modify the text. Group the text and rectangle, named 1. Then duplicate the header and content of 1. Modify the text. Then duplicate the header and content of 2. Modify the text. Then modify the name of the group to 3 and 2. Stack them like this. Next, let's set up the interactions. Select the header of 1. Add a mouse enter interaction, move 2 to the bottom of the header 1 and move 3 to the bottom of the header 2. Copy and paste the interaction to header 2, and move 2 to the bottom of header 1, and move 3 to the bottom of 2. Copy and paste the interaction to header 3. Move 3 to the bottom of Contact Us. Finally, create all content as a dynamic panel and uncheck Fit to Content. Preview the prototype. When the mouse enters the header, the content of the group is shown. The other group contents are hidden. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.